Welcome back to our channel, Smiling Success Enterprises. Today, we're discussing why businesses require digital marketing. Digital marketing allows businesses to reach a wider audience. With over 4.7 billion internet users worldwide, businesses can expand their reach beyond traditional marketing methods. Digital marketing is also cost-effective. Compared to traditional marketing, it offers a more affordable option and better tracking tools. Engaging with customers is crucial in today's market. Digital marketing fosters higher levels of customer engagement, leading to increased loyalty and advocacy. Digital marketing enables precise targeting and personalization. By leveraging data and analytics, businesses can tailor their marketing campaigns to resonate with their target customers. Digital marketing offers global reach and scalability. Unlike traditional marketing, businesses can reach audiences worldwide, opening up tremendous opportunities for growth. In summary, digital marketing is no longer an option, but a necessity for businesses. It offers wider audience reach, cost-effectiveness, increased customer engagement, precise targeting and personalization, as well as global reach and scalability.